straight up. Damn.
Here's high those.
Move back.
Oh, shit!
Hot. Look at that shit. Yeah, look at that shit. Damn.
Close up. Little dresser in the middle. Should put the bonfire on the dresser. Look at that hole in the drawer.
Yeah, see this shit?
What?
This shit's like melting right there.
Damn, dude, it's like boiling.
Hell yeah, bro.
Rolling.
Boiling, I said.
Yeah, you did it. Bet you got it on camera.
What?
Bet you got it on camera.
Recording it or picture?
Recording it.
We'll go back to it.
Yeah, it won't fall.
Do it all the way up.
I can't even sit here. I can't sit here. I got.
Look, a Christmas
That's
tree.
perfect because that fucking shit.
It is a Christmas tree.
Brought your mom and dad come home.